Welcome back to Sovereign Woman Radio. I'm your host, Susan Deacon. If you've landed here today, it's not by accident. This episode, we're going to dive into a topic that completely changed my life: sovereignty. Sovereignty isn't a trend. It isn't independence dressed up in spiritual language. Sovereignty is an energy, a frequency, a way of living where your center is no longer outside of you. It is the moment everything changes. For years, I thought sovereignty meant being strong, being capable, being able to do everything myself. But that was survival, not sovereignty. Sovereignty, as I've come to understand it, is something very different. It's when your emotional state is no longer determined by someone else's behavior. It's when you stop abandoning yourself for connection. It's when you stop leaking energy through over-explaining, over-giving, and over-trying. It's when you come home to your own self and remain there. My sovereignty didn't come from yoga trainings, Ayurvedic knowledge, or meditation, even though all of those things supported me. My sovereignty came from a moment of truth within myself, the moment I realized I'm not here to be chosen. I'm here to choose myself, and from that place, invite life to meet me. One of the greatest teachings of my awakening was, people do not come into our life to make us happy. They come to show us where we are not free. Some people activate our peace. Some activate our wounds. Some activate our power. And a rare few activate our destiny. A sovereign woman doesn't absorb other people's energy. She observes it, understands it, and responds from her truth, not her wounds. Ayurveda taught me something profound. As a predominantly pitta prakriti, I have strong fire, drive, intensity, and a deep desire to do things well. But when that fire is unbalanced, it becomes self-judgment, perfectionism, and pushing too hard. Sovereignty is soft strength, calm power, knowing when to act and when to allow. It's honoring our natural rhythm instead of forcing life to bend to our timeline. When we step into sovereignty, people treat us differently. Our relationships shift. Our boundaries become cleaner. We attract people who respect our energy. We stop over-explaining ourselves. We stop leaking emotion and become magnetic. The moment we choose sovereignty, life begins to reorganize around us. If you are listening today and you are in a season of change, remembering or letting go, sovereignty isn't something you earn. It's who you are beneath the conditioning, fears, and noise. Thank you for being here. Until then, lead your life from the inside out. If this episode touched you, please share it with your women friends. We rise together.